Next thing that I want to learn, the first vowel is a. So this is vowel called สระอะ สระอะ สระ means vowel. So when I call a vowel, I say สระ plus the name of it. This one is called สระอะ because it's a sound. All right. When you write down, it's like this. And the consonant is here. So that's why you see that you put the consonant here and vowel here. Kun Claire, what is this one?
Ka.
Exactly. This is ka. Because gōgai is g, right? And this is sara'a, which is a sound. Ga. Short sound. Ga. Everyone pronounce ga.
Ka.
This one, Kun Ben. Help me define this one first. What sound is it?
จอจาน
So
จะ
exactly. So ja. Because this one is j, this one is a. So together is ja. Next one, Kun Marcus. What about this one? What sound is it?
เด
Exactly. So how would you read this word?
ดะ
Exactly. เก่งมาก See, it's quite easy, right? So consonants plus vowel. Oh my god, I'm so excited to hear from you guys. So this one is ta. This one is da. And this one, Kun Claire, can you try one more time?
Ta.
Exactly. Ta. Quite easy, right? With the first vowel. Now we continue a little bit of, like, we go through half of them. One rule that you have to learn is that for sara'a, when sara'a has an ending or final consonant, it moves from here to up here. X means ending consonant. You see? This is the ending consonant, so it changed the form. In Thai language, some of vowels change form. So from here, when they come with vowel, it's moved up there. Let's take a look here as an example. So what is this one? Gōgai, right? This one is sara'a, right? This one is what?
ตัวเด็ก
The, right? But the problem is this will never work like this. This is not the way Thai write, because when there is ending consonant here, the sara'a is scared. Oh my god, you are behind me. I have to, run away from you. So I move up here to be like this. Only one left. You got it? Kun Mark, you got it?
Yeah.
Kun Ben?
Yes.
Let's see an example. I know you need example. All right. Let's take a look at this one. What would you read this? So you can see, right? This one is sara'a. It's up here. This is also sara'a. It's on top because there is ending consonant. Kun Ben, can you read this word?
กัด
This one.
กะ
Ka, right? Because there's no ending. It looks like this. But when there is ending consonant, it's moved up. So what would you read this one?
กัด
Very good. This one is ka. Kun Marcus,
ครับ
can you try reading this one?
เออ
So what is this one? What sound is it?
เด
So what is it?
ดัด
Exactly. That. Next one, Kun Claire. Can you try this one?
จาน
So
Jak.
yes, jak. Jak. And all of them make it's short because สระอะ is a short sound อะนะ so จัด last one คุณ Ben can you try this one
จัด
very good จัด quite easy right นะ it's quite okay right นะ so let's continue a little bit here make sure you understand so this is da right because there is no ending consonant the vowel looks like this but when there is ending consonant the vowel is scared sara is scared it's moved up here and ending consonant this is your first rule of writing